Hi guys, welcome to again like KB5014023, the latest update launch. Actually this is launched to around 2 to 3 months ago. So this update many problems. So now Microsoft launch around 3 um, 3 June. So KB5014023, so latest. So you can click to check update, show to here. So you just click to download and install. Suppose here to not show, so go to Chrome browser, and this is link I will give you in description. So you just click 21h2 21h2 21h2. So this is download, and click to link, and when finish, so click to open and next. Okay, so more than around 10 to 15 problems solved. OneDrive cannot open, and system very slow working. A lot of people have solved. So now latest update launch Microsoft. So guys, now finally this download and then install. Click to open. This process is manually, if not show in the update sections. Here do not show, so you go to this link. Actually I will give you in the description this link. So this is manually download, how to manual download. So actually W21H2H3, so this is latest. Okay, so now this is installing. Waiting for installing. Yeah, okay guys, this is take to time 10 to 15 minutes and then install. Searching for the update on this computer.